Welcome my people to a new video by Alexis Hidalgo Tech. I had to make you live in the house but in disaster in my house. Right now I'd rather do it here. And remember, I'm still testing the Apple Watch. The new Apple Watch would be 11. I have a lot to tell you about this device, but in the meantime, every time there is a new Apple Watch, we have to try different bands here. I have a band that I buy from Amazon. These stainless bands are very cheap and cost me only 10. Euro 10 was the price of this one. They come sometimes, they go up to 14, they go down to 12, but they remain between 10 and 12. This band, as I always buy, stainless. I have already bought silver, I have bought gold, and I decided to try today with a black one, which is the one that is most in line with this model of Apple Watch that I am using here at the moment. And then let's see okay. Well, we already have it here. Bring your own tools to fix the size of the band. Okay, nothing new here in some instructions. Okay, if we see here a protection for the Paul Watch, rubber protection brings for the Paul Watch brings pins, different types of pins, and brings the small tool that will help us change and regulate the size of the bracelet. And finally, for the price it seems to me that the presentation is very, very good. It's really like that. That's how it came, so that I have more or less one idea. That's how it came, and let me see how I get it out. Here's the bracelet. The laminated, I'm going to remove the plastic to see if I could appreciate the actual color. Let's see. Okay, wow, I thought it was darker. It looks like if it was like a titanium color, when the titanium is darkening, and it really looks quite elegant because of that here and there. Look how the color looks. Here you can see the arrow indicators, where we are going to be able to increase it, reduce the size, and we are going to try it at once. Okay, so it is always easy to put the bracelet on the watch. There is nothing complicated here. Look what it looks like with that bracelet. Quite elegant, really, in terms of size. Let's see how the factory size comes from, or too big. Well, how it fits me. That is, I am going to have to remove at least 2 links so that the size is the correct one, and well, then it has been the band. I think it is super elegant. For the Paul Watch 11 comes, it is compatible with almost all models from 5 onwards to 45mm. Generally, it looks very good. You can see how good the quality is, and it is important to know that it does not throw off the color. You can bathe in fresh water as well as salt water, and you can clean it normally with water and soap, and absolutely nothing happens. Well, since you're not here, I know you've heard my people live. Share, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.